going on, you keep that out of me, my nigga. Out of me, you keep that out of your mouth, my nigga. Whatever y'all got going, that's on y'all, my nigga. On Big D's, my nigga, you know that. Don't ever put me in your category, my nigga.
I'm not in that category.
Don't ever put me in your category, because I never was born in niggas' category.
I'm not in that category.
Nigga, whatever category you in, nigga, I don't give a fuck about it. You know that? I don't give a fuck, my nigga.
I'm not in none of that.
Big for himself. Fuck, my nigga on stool line about to give a fuck. My nigga on my double line, my nigga. Everybody knows Pippin Mom with a baby out here. And I beat niggas up. You know that. You know that. I ain't one of them niggas.
I mean, 5 of y'all. Real 5. Nigga, I've been outside. Choke the shit out of you, nigga. Littlest nigga in the